I'm Kelly, registered dental hygienist and Burst ambassador. I came on here today to show you guys all about the Burst coconut oil whitening strips. These whitening strips are my absolute favorite whitening strips. They're incredibly affordable. They're really easy to use. They're gentle. And they do a great job. They really whiten your teeth really fast. They're non-slip. They don't move around on your teeth. So you get a 7-day supply, and you get 7 strips for the top and 7 strips for the bottom. I will show them to you. So they look like this. You get a pack of 7, and you wear them as little as 10 minutes a day. I sometimes wear mine for 20 or 30 minutes, depending on what I'm doing. I might take a shower or put on my makeup or do my hair, clean the house, whatever I need to do. So I just wear them, and they're perfect for on the go because you just throw them on and then you can do whatever you need to do and then just swish with water and then you're done, and your teeth are really white afterwards. They also have a very soothing coconut oil in them. Don't worry, coconut oil, it doesn't taste like coconut, so I really don't like the taste of coconut, and I was kind of worried about that at first, but I thought, oh, I'll deal with it. But you really don't taste it at all. It's just there to provide the benefits of coconut oil. It's very soothing to the teeth. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you guys how to use them. So like I said, you get a 7-day supply, and this is what it looks like. Just open it. Super easy, you guys. So this is what it looks like. This is your upper strip and this is your lower strip. I always just open my mouth and I suck in some air and kind of get my teeth a little bit dry. You don't want all the excess saliva and moisture. So here is my top strip. Just kind of press it on a little bit. It's that easy. And then here is the bottom. Excuse my crooked teeth. That's it. Now we just wait. These white strips don't cause any sensitivity. I have one tooth that's really crooked because it's chipped. It got broke when I was a kid. And any whitening products that I've ever tried, it's really sensitive. I get this sharp shooting zinger pain, and I've never been able to use any kind of whitening products. And I have used these up to 2 weeks in a row, 14 days nonstop, and I've had 0 sensitivity at all. I promise you that. And I've had tons of friends and family that have come to me and say, thank you so much for introducing me to this product, because I finally found something that I could use. It works well and it's affordable. So these white strips are normally $19.99, but with my promo code FFERVX, I'll link everything below. That will save you $5, making them only $14.99, which is very affordable. I mean, you can't even go to the store and get whitening products for that. And these work really well, and it's free shipping. So you know, I always just buy a pack and then I buy a backup pack. So what I do is I do my full week, and then I keep a pack for if I'm going on a date or if I'm going somewhere. I just throw in a strip real quick to keep them bright, and then about every 3 months I do a full another set. Burst also has a 90-day love-it guarantee, like they do with all of their products. And for the ultimate whitening combo, of course, I would suggest using the Burst Sonic toothbrush and their Burst whitening toothpaste. You can get up to 42% off with my code. Again, I'll link everything below, and that will keep your gums and teeth healthy and your smile really bright. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and if you guys get some white strips for yourself, I would love to see y'all's results. Thanks. You guys have a great day. Bye.